Hey, Celeb 20 fans, buckle up because we have got a jaw-dropping story that's got everyone talking from long-time friends, fans to anyone who loves a good mystery unraveled. Today we are diving deep into the recent twist around the heartbreaking loss of beloved actor Matthew Perry. Ready for a roller coaster? You don't want to miss this exclusive on Slap 20. First things first, let's remember Matthew Perry, the legendary comedy king who played Chandler being on Friends. Millions love him for his quick wit and his honest battle with real life adversity. So, when the world lost him suddenly in October 2023, hearts broke everywhere and questions swirled like crazy. Here's what shook Hollywood and beyond. Matthew Perry was found face down in a hot tub at his Pacific Palisades home in Los Angeles on October 28, 2023. He was only 54. The autopsy report, acute effects of ketamine, a powerful drug plus subsequent drowning. Perry had been prescribed ketamine for depression, but the cause pointed to improper use and dangerous sourcing. Instantly, everyone wanted to know how did this happen to someone so loved. Here's where things get wild. According to federal prosecutors, a secret network of drug dealers and suppliers was behind Perry's access to ketamine. The investigation zeroed in on five people, all connected in some way to Perry's final days. Among them, Dr. Salvador Plasencia of Santa Monica, California. This wasn't just a minor doctor's mistake. The feds say Dr. Plasencia was part of an illegal supply chain delivering not just hope for pain relief but a hustle that ended in tragedy. Guys, get updated. The biggest twist hit this week. The Plasencia, yes, the Dr. Plasencia, the very same, walked into the federal court and admitted guilt. He pleaded guilty to 4 counts of illegally distributing ketamine. His plea deal means he faces up to 40 years in prison, a possible $2 million fine, or double the cash from his actions, whichever is higher, and permanent loss of his medical license. Here's what the court heard. Placencia provided Perry with at least 20 vials of ketamine, totaling 100 milligrams in the month before his death. He wasn't alone. 3 others had already pleaded guilty, and one more person, a suspected ketamine dealer nicknamed Cat Queen, is still fighting the charges. Prosecutors revealed that Placencia, in shocking text, called Perry a moron and talked about making money off the actor's addiction. While the doctor did not give Perry the fatal dose, his role in the dangerous cycle was undeniable. Placencia's lawyer said the doctor was profoundly remorseful and would give up his medical practice for good. For the curious minds on Slap 20, ketamine isn't just a shady street drug. It's a powerful anesthetic doctors sometimes use for surgeries or severe depression. In Perry's case, he had a legal prescription, but sources close to him said he turned to unauthorized suppliers when prescriptions ran out or did not meet his needs. This happens way more often than you would imagine in Hollywood, adding risk to those already fighting a private battle. The case exposed something chilling. Illegal drugs don't always come in dark alleys. Sometimes they come through a doctor's office. For months, Perry's friends reported that he seemed to be improving and staying hopeful about recovery, but investigators say the network of suppliers took advantage of Perry's vulnerability, seeing dollar signs where others saw pain. And get this, at least one other doctor and alleged dealers involved have already taken plea deals as well, and in the hopes of getting lighter sentences by helping the investigation. It's a reminder to everyone, no one, not even the famous and loved, is off limits in these secret webs. So what's next for Dr. Plasencia? Sentencing is set for December 3, and while the law throws out the maximum term of 40 years, legal experts think his actual sentence will depend on cooperation and other factors. However, his days practicing medicine are officially over. He will also be hit with a hefty fine and supervised release if he ever leaves prison. Matthew Perry's friends and fans and the Slap 20 squad wait to see true justice for a star many felt was trying his best in a hard world. Pause for a second, Slap 20 crew. Why are we so plugged into this story? Because it's not just Hollywood drama. It's a wake-up call about the unseen struggles people, even our favorite stars, face. Perry was always open about his fight with addiction, and his passing reminded everybody that kindness and support matter more than ever. no matter who you are. For parents, teachers, and viewers of all ages, this case is a vivid story that bad influences don't always look like movie villains. Sometimes they hide behind professional titles and big promises. That's why Celeb 20 brings you these stories to help everyone, young and old, keep it real and stay safe. Let's not forget why this matters so much. Matthew Perry wasn't only Chandler Bing, he was a fighter, a helper, a guy who tried to change the world for people like him. His best selling memoir, honest interviews, and charity work touched thousands. Fans say his legacy is about never giving up even when the battle gets tough. Quick facts recap because Slap 20 has your back. Matthew Perry passed away October 28, 2023 at age 54 from the effects of ketamine and drowning. Dr. Salvador Plasencia, based in Santa Monica, pleaded guilty to illegally distributing ketamine to Perry and faces up to 50 years in prison plus huge fine. Perry got ketamine for his depression but started turning to unauthorized sellers when prescriptions didn't meet his needs. Plasencia was one of the five charged in a secret network targeting the actor. Three others already pleaded guilty and another is facing trial soon. The Slap 20 family has rallied with support, discussion, and a ton of love for Perry. Keep watching for updates on his case and lessons learned for everyone. If you take anything from today's wild news, let it be this. Fame doesn't shield anyone from struggle, and even heroes need help. Be kind, be watchful, and never let shame keep you from asking for support. At Slap 20, we care all about our fans, your stories, your feelings, your safety. Thanks for hanging out with us here on Slap 20. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you never miss a twist, a lesson, or an amazing comeback story. See you next time for more Celeb 20 drama, truth bombs, and the heart behind every headline. Stay with Celeb 20 for every exclusive scoop that matters in the world of fame, friendship, and unforgettable stories.